Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Web Paint Chrome extension to annotate over web-based documents in Chrome. So right now I do have Web Paint added to my Chrome extension toolbar in Chrome. But if I want to go find it, I can open a new tab, go to my apps, web store, and type in Web Paint. Once there, you can see that it's here. I already have mine added, but you can add it to your Chrome extension bar. Once you add it, you can then come to the puzzle piece and in alphabetical order, pin it to the Chrome extension bar so that you can see it when you want to use it. So right now I'm in a Google Slides, and I'm going to say that maybe I'm teaching and I want to annotate something on this Google slide. So I can actually go into present mode. And as you can see, I'm missing my toolbar, but if I come down here to the menu bar and select this exit full screen, I'm still in present mode, but it gives me my toolbar up here. So I can select Web Paint, and it pulls down a little bar where I can select the color I want to use. So maybe I want to draw or write in blue, and I click the Write tool, and I can close out of this so I can have my full screen. I can write, do whatever I need to do, and annotate on the page. So I will open Web Paint back up, and I can click back onto the cursor so that I can come down here and move to the next slide. But as you can see, my annotation stayed. So if I'm on to the next slide, I want to use this tool right here to clear my annotations. And then I can select the pen tool again, hide this away, and then I can write again as I need to. Same thing, come back up to Web Paint, move it back to mouse mode so I can go to the next slide. When I'm ready to close out of Web Paint, all I do is select the Close Out button or Quit button, select it, my annotations went away, and I'm out of that.